Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the product development. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in product development and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, product development basically means refers to stages involved in bringing a product from concept or idea through market release and beyond. In other words, product development incorporates a product entire journey. So basically when we talk about product development, we are talking about that you think about an idea and then how this idea convert into a real product, and then this product reach till market so that users can use it. Okay, so that is called as the idea of product development. Now there are few stages or few stages through which each product goes through. Friend, product, when we talk about product, can be a mobile, it can be a software development, a software. Also it can be any grocery product, for example any hardware, any software. So any new idea, any item which can be which can solve any problem of business users. So product can be anything basically. So every product goes through few stages. First one is the identifying a market need. In this stage, we basically identify what market needs are and what are the things which we should have to consider. For example, that in this stage we basically survey, we identify what are the market needs. For example, market has a need, a new company should be launched who can provide the pick and drop services to users, for example. So this is a market need. In this market need, we discuss with many people in different areas that what is the market need, what they want from us, what are the rates are possible, which type of service they need. Okay, which are the classification, what is the feasibility study. Then quantifying the opportunity. In the quantifying the opportunity, basically we identify that the pain it causes and the number of people or organization it impacts can determine whether it's a worthy problem to solve or if problems are willing to pay for a solution. So basically this phase is basically stand for feasibility study. You can say you basically study the feasibility, that whether you should go for any product development or not. Like if you go for product development, whether it will give you some profit, some benefit or not. If it is not suitable, we should not have to go for that opportunity. If it has, like after once the product developed, so whether it will produce some output result or it will not be useful. So we have to study the opportunity here. Next one is the conceptualizing the product. Conceptualizing means that in this phase you basically, first of all, you already know the business needs. So in this phase you basically see what are the features or what is the solution through which you basically solve the business need or business requirement. In this phase basically teams sit together. It's totally a creativity session in which we discuss that what is the business need, what is the solution, and how you will fulfill the business requirement, and what are the features which will fulfill the business need. Then next is the validating the solution. In this validating the solution, we basically put some prototyping like wireframes, designs, etc., to propose the solution that it is a viable solution. And then still happen at the conceptualization, that if anything happen, if any need is required, we can change the things. If we can change the idea, we can do the changing. So however, in this phase basically we validate that whatever the solution we are going to put, it should fulfill the business requirement with a proper solution, with a proper requirement. Next one is the building the product roadmap. Product roadmap means that Once you have the legitimate concept in hand, like you know that what needs to be developed, so you make a product roadmap. Identify the which themes and goals are central to develop first and to solve the most significant phase and point to point and spark adoption. So basically product roadmap means that first you will develop these features, and next in these features, and next these five features, and after, for example, after five iteration or five phases, we will go into the market, and once the market gets the output, we will go for the next release, etc. So basically product roadmap means that you will see that how the product development goes through and how you will reach till market actually. Developing a minimum viable product, that means the initial version of the product needs just enough functionality to be used by customer. So that basically you will first try that you should reach to the market with the minimum features. For example, you know that in a product 10 features should be there, but you know that with the 3 features it will fulfill the requirements, and the rest of the 7 features are the additional requirement of value added services, for example. So what you do, you will go with minimum viable product or MVP. With the minimum viable product means with the enough functionality, with the as per the requirement functionality. For example, if 3 features fulfill the requirement, you will go in the market with the 3 features. Next is the releasing the MVP to the user, minimum viable product to users. That means you release the product to users, like you can get their feedback. You can notice that what is the price they are expecting, like you through proper marketing you will release the product into the market, and you meet with people, check their response, get their response feedback, and document it, and try your level best to do the proper marketing, so that you can populate your product. Last one is the ongoing iteration based on user feedback and strategic goals. So once you release the product to the users, you will get their feedback. Either they will say that the product is expensive or product is cheaper, or maybe they will say that they need more features in the product, or they maybe they like your idea, maybe they don't like your idea. It depends on the users. However, you will get the feedback response from the users, and based on their feedback you will do the enhancements in the product, so that the next release will be much better than the previous one, and also the next release should be aligned with the strategic goals of the organization as well. But the most important thing, that the next iteration should be based on the feedback which you get from the users, and the features should be enhanced and with the more features and functionality, so that the next release should be better than the previous release. So friends, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.